Hello students, so we were discussing about the first chemical properties, that the reaction with oxygen, and I could not continue that. I'm again taking that one, reaction with oxygen only. So what happened when we obtain that magnesium hydroxide in aqueous form, then we will test its acidic or basic nature. And what we will do, we will add here litmus strip. We will dip here litmus strip, and when it turns, if it turns into the starts turning into blue color, this indicates, means this solution is basic in nature, right? So hence it proves that by this activity we proved that metals, when react with oxygen, they form metallic oxides which are basic in nature. Now let me write all this in a chemical equation form. First, when magnesium, we have taken example of magnesium here. Magnesium, when react with oxygen, right, means when we burn it, we are writing that activity in this equation form here now. When we means the magnesium react with oxygen, means when we burn magnesium ribbon, it will turn, I told you that it will turn into white powdered ash. So what is that white powdered ash? That is magnesium oxide, right? That is magnesium oxide. So this is the chemical equation form. We will write here also the states, all right here. S indicates solid state, G indicates gaseous state, and this one also indicates the solid state, as the powder will also be in the solid state. So this is magnesium oxygen, and this one is the magnesium oxide, right? Then in activity what we have done, we have mixed this powder with water. So we write in equation form now. When magnesium oxide, right, solid, it will react with water, which is liquid in state, it will form magnesium hydroxide. This is aqueous form, right? Solute is in solvent here, aqueous form is here. So all the activity I have written here in this chemical equations form. This magnesium hydroxide, we test this magnesium hydroxide when for this acidic and basic, for testing the acidic or basic nature, right, by with the help of what? With the help of pH strip. What was that? Red litmus strip, right? It turned into blue, right? Red to blue. So red to blue, this indicates that this is basic in nature. So dear students, this is very important to learn the chemical properties in this way. First you will simply do the activities, right? As you are not having the chemical lab at home, but try to understand here in this way, right? You can also take the help of other YouTube videos for more clarity. First of all, you have to learn how the activity is performed, then write that activity in chemical equation form, right? And in this way more clarity will be and no cramming will be. So first we have done this metal reactivity with oxygen, and we came to know that metals they react with oxygen and form the metallic oxides. On the other hand, if we talk about because we are comparing here both metals and non-metals. So when we talk about the non-metals,